Welcome to another Maintenance Monday. And on today's schedule, something super easy, just some air filters and a cabin filter. But this is really all you're gonna need unless you have some weird stuff. Today we're doing this on my wonderful girlfriend's car, Hannah. And the first thing that we're gonna do is get the air filter in. And for this car, you don't really need anything other than your hands and your new air filter. Let's go ahead and pop it out. So we're over here at the engine bay. First thing you want to do is locate your intake. So we got it right here. And then you're going to have these little tabs just right here. And all you got to do is just grab them and pop them off. And this car has two. Just like that. And then you're going to lift this up. We got some tabs back here, right there, and right here that will just pop off. There's nothing holding them on, so you just got to wiggle them. And then there's your old air filter. So now, just get your finger up under there. And as y'all can see, this one is very old. Just want to grab your old filter. Got it out. And typically the way you can tell if an air filter is bad is if you can't see any light through it. And you can barely see a little bit out of this one, so it's about time to replace it. So, garbage. So now we got our new air filter, and you always want this little rubber side up. So just gonna wiggle this, hold this up, throw your new one in, make sure it's fully seated in there, and then the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna want to wiggle these tabs back into where they belong, which can sometimes be a pain in the ass because they don't like going in, but you just wiggle them around enough, you'll get them in, just like that, like that. Make sure it's fully seated down, and just grab your little tabs. You kind of got to lift up on them a little bit as you're pushing them on, and that's it. Air filter's changed. All right, guys, so we're on the inside, obviously, and on this Ford, it's a lot more intuitive to do the cabin air filter, but I'll go ahead and show y'all for all my Ford owners. So it's a little bit of a pain. We're basically gonna have to take this whole door off. Pretty sure we got to take all of this in here off. I know this has to come off. It's quite intuitive, but I'll go ahead and set y'all up and I'll walk y'all through it. We'll get it. No problem. First step, take this little side molding off of here. Second is all this. Just pulls right out. Not a big deal. Then we're gonna have to take these 7 mils out, and I believe we got some down here. These 7 mils and a couple down here takes the whole glove box out. Now that we got all the bolts out, there we go. Just let that rest, and then right in here, I'll show y'all. So, glove box is out. The whole glove box comes out, which is kind of crazy. Right here we got a Phillips, and then right behind here is your cabin air filter. Alrighty, got those Phillips out. All you do is push out on these little tabs right here, and it'll just, on both sides, and it'll fall open. And look how dirty that is already. Oh man. Oh. And this is why you change them. It's nasty. And this is what it should look like. Nice, clean, and new. So You're just gonna wanna feed this up in there. Boop, boop. And wanna put everything back together. And that's it, guys. All done. Really hope this video was helpful to somebody out there, and just goes to show that this stuff's easy and you shouldn't have to pay a dealership or a shop millions of trillions of dollars to get easy stuff like this done. So I'll catch y'all guys next Monday. Like, comment, subscribe. Go ahead and tell me what I should do next. Oil change I think is next. So catch you guys in the next one. Bye.